British Prime Minister Boris Johnson has announced that the suspension of UK Parliament will be extended until October 14th. That's just over 2 weeks before Britain is set to leave the European Union and sharply raises the possibility of a no-deal Brexit. For more on this and other news around the world, let's go over to our Kim Dami. Now, Tommy, does this not highly raise the stakes of a possible political crisis there?
Right, Connyoung. Johnson said on Wednesday he would schedule the Queen's speech for October 14th to launch new legislation. During a televised interview, he insisted the decision was made to push his domestic agenda, including improving the National Health Service and fighting violent crime. However, it's widely seen as an attempt to block members of parliament, especially those from the opposition, but even some from within his Conservative Party, from delaying the UK's EU departure with no deal. In response, Johnson argued there will be enough time to debate the EU, Brexit, and all the other issues. The Queen accepted the request, so UK Parliament will be shut down from September 12 to October 14 and takes Britain close to the edge of crashing out of the EU on Halloween.